Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create your first virtual machine using the AWS cloud platform. So let's get straight into the video. So once we get on the AWS website, we're going to type in EC2. And EC2 is a bunch of servers that's in the cloud. So once we get to this page, we're going to click Launch Instance. Okay. And now we want to name our virtual machine. So let's give our virtual machine a name. Let's just say Windows 2022. Okay. And now for our operating system, we're going to use the Windows operating system using the Windows 2022 server base. Okay. Next, for the instance type, the instance type is just saying how much power do you want your virtual machine to use. So we want our virtual machine to have a little power, so we're going to choose the flex large. Okay. For our key pair, this is what we're going to use to help decrypt our password. So let's create a new key pair. Let's just name this Windows VM. And we're going to just leave everything the same. This going to download. Okay. And for the network settings, we're going to make sure that we have allow remote desktop protocol checked. And we're going to leave everything else the same. And we have overall to the side everything that we have selected. Now let's just launch our instance. Wait for that to load. Once that finishes loading, we're going to click the link to connect to our instance. Okay. Now once everything finished loading, you see our instance state is running. We're going to go to connect and go to remote desktop protocol client. Okay. Next, we're going to download our remote desktop file. This is how we're going to log into our remote desktop virtual machine. So we're going to click download. And once we finish downloading our desktop file, we're going to go to get password. So we have to wait until our password finish loading. So let's just go back out of this. It usually take a little time for everything to get going. So let's just give it a few more seconds. Let's see if it's up and going now. Okay. And that private key that we downloaded in the beginning and created, we're going to upload it here. So Windows test VM. And we're going to decrypt our password. So once we decrypt our password, you should see your password down below. And now it's time to connect to our virtual machine. So let's just go to where we downloaded our remote desktop file. And we're going to click connect. And we're going to type in our password. and everything's gonna set up just like a normal Windows computer. So this is very helpful because you don't have to go and buy a whole new computer. You can just create a virtual machine in the cloud and use whatever operating system that you would like. So you just create your first virtual machine in the cloud. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.